Alrighty, welcome back, and in this video it's going to be a quick one. I'm going to make an icon called notes in my phone. It's fairly simple. Let's just quickly build this. If you want to have the idea, it's basically going to be like this, like paper notes, and have the wording written notes here, and then you have straight lines here. This is what's going to look like. So I'm going to take the rectangle tool, quickly build it here, go back, press Ctrl C, not V, Ctrl F, paste in front, hold it, drag it like so, take the line segment tool, zoom it a bit, keep it straight, hold shift, path. I'll just draw 5 of these lines, align with path, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'll select V, select them all, and in the strokes I'll set the width just to 1 for all of them. I think even 1 is higher. I'll select 2.5. Yeah. So I'm going to take this top box, and before I do that, I'm going to take all of this quickly and turn them into the orangish golden color that has been given to the stroke. I'll keep it yellow. Set the fill to none. Take this box here, give it a linear gradient. I need to give it some color. Now go here in the gradient, apply it here from the center, pressing and holding shift, keep it a straight line, come here in the gradient box, choose this color, make it yellow, bright yellow, come down here, I've selected this one and make it orangish, yeah, a little lower. Yep, that's it. Come out of the gradient, close the window, take the text tool here and simply write the word N-O-T-E, note. I'm going to center align this according to this box. I'm going to hold shift and select both of these and go to the aligns section, and I'm going to align to and select align to key object. This simply means to according to which object the rest of the objects will get aligned. So when I press this align to key object, the key object according to which is going to get aligned becomes highlighted. In this case the text is highlighted, but I want the box to be the highlight, so I'll click on the box. Now the box is highlight. Now I can center align it, and that should be it. I can push it a little lower, give it a little bit of a bigger size. The moment I do it, I'm pretty much sure it has moved away from the center of the box. I'm going to do that again, select it and center align it. I'm going to take this. Now, as per my phone, there are gaps in the words note. So one way of doing this is to go here and manually increase this size. This is one way, but it's kind of very crude way of doing things. A better way is to somehow control the spacing in between these individual alphabets. Now for that, we obviously need to work and look into the properties of the text, which is basically about typography. So let's go into the properties and let's see if there is something for us. Now I'll select this, come in the properties and see if there is something that might help us to, achieve what we are trying to do here, but it's not here. These are the brushes. Now what I need is the text properties. If I look in the transform here, nope, we need to select this. Text to graphics, no, there doesn't seem to be many properties about the character. So let's find out what we can do about it. In the appearance panel we have the graphic style. Nope, nothing seems to be here in the current selected windows. So I'm going to go here, and in the windows I'm going to look at the workspace, and I have chosen the essential classic workspace. I can go down here and select the typography, and when I press the typography, now I have these further selections which is of character. Okay, so I needed to select this character window, which I can select from here. It should be somewhere here. It's color guide. So it's not here, so I can see the properties of character here. So when I select this and open it up, as I can see, I have this option, set the tracking of for the selected field. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase this, and you will notice the alphabets are going to move further apart. So this is what I'm trying to achieve. So I'm going to give it a value of 200, and I'm going to further increase it, and let's just make it 400. Press tab. So there's quite a lot of gap now. I'm happy with this. So you can select this again, select the box, and again go into the alignment. Since I changed the the layout style, I can see the alignment is guide is below here now, and it looks kind of different, but still okay. If it's not to your liking, you can go here and press align from here. This gives you much better way of aligning things. Now you can again align to the key object, align them properly, and you can close it. And I need to make it thicker. There is this bold or semi-bold, this should do, and I want the color to be white as it is on my phone. That's it. I'm going to select all of these, and I'm going to set this stroke to none. Not all the strokes, but of this box and of this box here, I can set it to none. Rest I can group it together, and I can even give it, select the rectangle tool, try now build a box here, push it above here, and I want to give it a white base. You can give it a black and just see where is it lined up. I need to push it down, and now I'll give it a white color, and that's pretty much it. The reason that I have given the background a white color is will become clear to you just in a moment. So I'm going to take a ellipse tool and just build. I'm going to just give it a little different color, bring it here, push it down, select both of these, again go into the window, select the align tool. I can set the bars below here, and from the alignment I'll center align both of them. So this is the reason why I added a white background, because if I hadn't added that white background, it would have looked transparent, and if I want to build a shadow now, it just wouldn't make any sense. I need to select the pen tool, start from here, give it a 45-degree angle, come out here, close it and give it a black color. Take this and take this one and press here, give it a 45-degree angle. Join these boats quickly, select them, shape builder, single shape, push it down, select both, shape builder, alt minus, just select this, come to properties, set the opacity to 20%, and that's it. Our notes is icon is ready. I need to group it together, and now this is one single shape. That's it. Thank you for watching.